Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good Monday morning. Welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Very exciting week this week. I'm happy to be back in the office as well. Very exciting week. We've got the Europa Property CEE Investment Awards actually live at the InterContinental Hotel.
Yeah, nice to be back to normal, Craig.
And it sounds like we have record number of nominations this year, yeah?
Yeah, there's been a lot going on in the market.
Excellent.
And, we're covering a lot of it.
We're covering all the important stuff, exactly. So anyway, that's this Thursday at the Warsaw InterContinental Hotel. We hope we'll see you there. We've got the whole hotel for the day. We've got the jury dinner the night before. We've got the great panelists for the morning networking and forum, and then in the evening, super gala night. And we've just done the deal with the whiskey and cognac bar. So we've got great whiskeys, great cognacs, and tomorrow night we're doing the final wine tasting. So, you know, it's a hard job doing all this food and wine tasting.
Yeah. Don't burn yourself out before the main event.
Exactly. So tomorrow night we'll let you know which wines we've chosen also for the wine tasting. So big event this week. If you haven't signed up yet, our website is ceeinvestmentawards.com. Just shoot me a message or an email at craig@EuropaProperty.com. We'll be happy to take care of everything with you. Now we're going to go straight to Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief, for all the exciting news on EuropaProperty.com. We'll take a 20-second break. Winston, good to see you.
Good morning, Craig.
Are you ready for the news?
Of course.
Yeah, all right. So exciting stuff today?
Always.
All right, so we'll be right back in 20 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now preparing for the CEE region's flagship event for investors and developers, the Europa Property Investment Awards, which will be live and online October 20th and 21st. With a total of over 400 international and regional attendees, this event is not to be missed. Welcome back, and here we go with the daily news and the highlights from the Europa Property website. Winston,
Thanks,
take it away.
We'll start today with European Logistics Investment, and they've secured a loan facility from Berlin Hype with a total investment of 111 million euros. The funds were used to refine European investment logistics projects in 4 locations: Bielsko-Biała, Ruda Śląska, Warszawa, and Torun. And they comprise of 7 buildings with a total GLA of 216,000 square meters. And according to Łukasz Toszczek, he's the Senior Vice President of Investments at Griffin Real Estate, responsible for the ELI platform. He says, ELI has been experiencing rapid growth, quickly expanding its portfolio by adding attractive properties in key locations in Poland. Securing long-term financing will allow us to maintain the momentum and enable the company to achieve its expansion goals. So, again, big increase in development activity and lots of movement in this sector.
Yeah, absolutely. It's like every day we have something new to talk about.
That's right. And just to continue, from Berlin Hype, they say that they confirm that the logistics real estate sector in Poland is growing steadily. And they confirm that ELI is developing an important player in the Polish logistics market. And they've recognized ELI's leverage potential. And that's why they've decided to provide finance and commit further.
Excellent. Well done. Well, there's a lot of logistics investors coming on Thursday.
Yeah, there is. Yeah, and actually they are our strongest sectors and categories this year. And moving on, and there's a small report being released by 7R, and it's titled, "Is There a Green Future Ahead?" And as we know, there's lots of sustainability and green news.
Sure.
Today, and
we've been reporting on green future ahead, so hopefully there is one.
Hopefully. And according to the National Building Sector's 2050 vision, all buildings should have 0 operational carbon footprint, while new developments and renovated buildings should have a net zero life cycle carbon footprint by 2050. And developers, tenants, and investors are increasingly recognizing the social and commercial benefits of developing and using this type of space. So there are a number of criteria, a number of goals that they want to achieve before 2050. And according to Tomasz Lubowski, he's the founder and chairman of 7R.
Sure.
He says, we have delivered over 200,000 square meters of certified warehouse space since the beginning of 2021. And our goal is to deliver another 1 million square meters of facilities by the end of 2022. So you can just see the amount of buildings that are coming to the market. And obviously they all increase their carbon footprint and pressure on the environment. He goes on to say that all these developments will be BREEAM certified. So, being BREEAM certified, these buildings will be eco-friendly, which is where they're all heading today. And he says that they will reduce energy consumption by up to 50% and carbon dioxide emissions by about 381 tons per year.
Well, it's great to be reporting on commercial real estate and seeing that they're all focused on the environment and that really the sector does care about it and of course wants to make a profit and wants us to all live in a nicer place.
A better future for all, Craig.
Exactly.
And staying in the green sustainability arena, Nineva has achieved a GRESB 5-star rating in its 2021 Global Real Estate Sustainability Benchmark, the main global environmental, social and governance ESG benchmark for real estate investments across the world. And they've received the highest possible rating for the second year in a row. Its ESG performance ranks again among the top 20% of the real estate industry globally. So they're doing a great job there. They got a score of 92 out of 100, which was 2 points higher than last year's score. So they are making progress.
Oh, that's great.
And according to Carlos Gonzalez, he's the Nineva's managing director.
Right.
He says, our exceptional GRESB results confirm our commitment to sustainable management, development and investment, especially during what was an extremely challenging year due to the pandemic. ESG factors form a core part of our business and are fundamental to driving long-term outperformance. And finally for today, CBRE has advised Eli Lilly, a company in the process of renewing its offices from Bucharest Business Park, a project owned by CAMO in the northwest of Bucharest. Eli Lilly will occupy 900 square meters in Bucharest Business Park. This is a certified LEED Gold building. Sure. So again, another nice environmentally friendly building, which accommodates well-known companies such as British American Tobacco, Coca-Cola, AstraZeneca, Bayer, 3M Romania, Sony, Goodyear, and Alior Bank. And according to Marian Roman, he's the managing director of CAMO in Romania.
Yeah, we know Marian very well.
He says even during these pandemic times, the utilization rate of the buildings remain high, as CAMO has obtained the internationally COVID-19 complement certification granted by Safe Asset Group and the DECRA Trusted Facility certification for its entire Romanian portfolio, thus confirming the measures implemented to comply with national and international health and hygiene regulations and protocols.
Well, it's great to see that they care about the office buildings and care to make them safe.
Well, they care about making money. So, if their tenants are happy, I'm sure they're happy.
They're happy, exactly. That always helps. Well, Winston, so that's all we have for the day?
That's all we have time for today,
right.
Craig.
So thank you all very much for watching. We will see you on Thursday for the Europa Property CEE Investment Awards at Warsaw InterContinental Hotel. So enjoy the rest of the day. We'll be back here tomorrow and lead a happy and healthy life. Thanks for watching. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.